Hey guys, it is me, Pixel Kitten, and today I'm starting my first Animal Jam video. How exciting is that? If my Animal Jam would ever load, that'd be great. Also, don't mind the things I have saved on my computer, because, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can get my webcam on this. She's what? Webcam, please work. Unless you are working, then great job. Anyways, yes. I am in the attire and I'm gonna go to my den. Anyways, I'm just gonna play Animal Jam just for the lulz today, but I may do an update video if I'm here. By the way, it's summer and I'm excited for that. Just let me sit on my mossy stone bench. It's not a bench though, it's more like a throne. You can fit like 15 jammers on here. If I would sit, thank you. It looks like someone could join me by my side. Anyways, I'm probably just gonna be doing some shenanigans. Cause I feel like at first, I don't want to look like this. Cause I don't like it. Like, oh look at me, I'm a monarchic wolf. Look, I have top hair, therefore that means I'm an AJ YouTuber. I actually hate that. So, meanwhile, I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm here. Look, I have Mugunta things. Does that make me cool? I don't want to be an Arctic wolf, actually. What animal isn't taken? Like, going through the bajillion list of every animal that's ever been taken, ever. I need to add audio to this, don't I? Well, wait, has an otter been taken? Actually, my main look is gonna be a deer. Let's see how we can make this work. Yeah, my deer already has a camera. Because I went to the summer carnival. Carnival. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Blah, blah, blah. Perfect timing. I have a fidget spinner. And then the views just bust through the roof, just like, yep. I am a stegosaurus. No, I'm not. You probably need a crocodile for that. Enemies. What if the deer was a headlight? Bum bum bum. Look guys, I'm so rare! I have them rares! Notice me, senpai! No, I don't want the ribbon scarf. Enemies, yeah, I'm gonna put the hoodie on. Just cause. Like it. And should I put this on? Looks cool, but nah, bruh. Wait, small top hat. Yes. Yes! It looks perfect on the deer. It's just a bit small. Oh my god, that's so perfect. Anyways, I took a quiz today, and apparently I took a quiz on what emoji I would be today, and apparently I'd be the laughy, cryy emoji. No, we can't have that shown on the screen! Yes, and so this is gonna be my main look now. I'm probably not gonna follow up with it, but I like it. Yeah, suck it guys. I'm a deer. You like what you see? Comment down below. That's my child's room. If I ever have a child. I have 28 diamonds. Yes, I am the rarest of them all. No, I'm not. I'm just someone who loves Animal Jam. But don't all Animal Jam YouTubers love Animal Jam? They don't do it for the fame. They do it because why not? Like, one time, I met Jelly Jones at a trading party. Yeah, I met Jelly Jones, and I said, "Hi, Jelly, I'm a big fan." She's like, "Shh, don't blow my cover." That was fantastic. I actually sent her my first masterpiece when she was doing a live stream, but she never got it, which made me really sad. Like, I got really salty and upset because she didn't get to see my beautiful masterpiece. It's not good. I'm still not a good artist, but I can draw pretty well in real life. Hopefully. Anyways, yep, I'm gonna change my den, or the music, because it's annoying. Yep, that's annoying. I'm probably gonna have to redo the whole audio of this video because my computer hates me. I really want to be in one of Jelly Jen's videos. Jelly Senpai, please notice me. Jelly Scones, notice me, Senpai. Jelly Scones, notice me, Senpai. Yeah. Nope. Yeah, I'm recording this on screencast. That's right, I don't have the mouse thing on me. Yep, I just told you what video recorder I am using. I'm also using Manicam. Haha! And it's for free! Yay, I don't have any money I don't have to pay any money to do what I like to do. It's been my dream for so long. Anyways, I'm gonna just do some stuff. This room is full! No! When I can do more to shoot! Waves! Waves! I'm sorry. What have I done? Should I create an AJ meme? Or not? Wee! Taking pictures of everything with no opposable thumbs. Yeah, that's the best. By the way, I had my AJ account before I started the whole YouTube thing. So that's why it's called Snow 375244. Unicorn glove that doesn't show up occasionally. Look, spoopy. Very spoop. Much. Ah. Yep. Am I a cool jammer yet? Am I famous? Am I famous yet? Do you want to hear my? Never mind. I won't do an impression of the stereo moon because no. Does this sound annoying? Well, it's my fidget spinner. I always wondered why there are people talking sounds in Animal Jam Township. Julian Toe, start a theory on that, please. I'm not popular enough to start a theory on that, so please get in on that. Be sure to find some rainbows to slide down while wearing the new unicorn glove. Is full of. Shut up! I hate. Sorry. Am I gonna get banned for saying this? No, I'm not gonna get banned. Okay. I'm gonna do it right now. Anything is ice. Woo! I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Yep, I'm trying to be myself, but that's not working. So I'm kind of acting like Jelly Jones, but that's not working either. Yay! Woo! Woo! I'm going to become a deer animatronic. Daisy. Yep. Stegosaurus. Okay. Dress. The word I hate so much. Is it gonna be elegant and awkward? Or kinda nice and cute? Yeah, nice and cute. And I'm gonna search ribbons. Why not? I wonder where that. Are you recording? I just farted. Rib. Well, this has been going on for longer than my video runtime. What am I gonna do with my life? I don't know. Anyways, I am Daisy now. This is who I am. I don't want no JoJo. Nutwolf. Inappropriate username right there. Oh, where'd you go? You like what you see? I don't know. I am my OC Daisy. That's actually not my OC. My OC's Dawn. I am my OC Daisy. Thanks. Thanks. That's all you need to do is dance. I am my OC Daisy. I am my OC Daisy. I'm my OC Daisy. I'm my OC Daisy. Oh, she tried to copy my look. Oh my god. Why would you do this to me? As my flower constantly starts falling off my head. Oh my god. What? Just jumping around, destroying the stage. Anyways, guys, I'm probably gonna stop the video here. How do I end the video?